Hey there, Service Pros. This is Christian from the Workiz product team. In this video, we're going to talk about the Workiz Message Center. We've talked about Workiz Phone before, our built-in solution that allows service pros like you to manage your entire phone system from top to bottom. But let's talk about the other half of the Workiz communication suite in this one, the Message Center. The Message Center was designed with service pros in mind, allowing you to keep track of clients, texts, subcontractors, jobs, leads, estimates, invoices, payments, and voicemails all in one place. The days of having to dig through your email inbox or phone's text messages are officially behind you. Let's give you a quick overview. Getting to the Message Center is easy. Just click on the chat bubble from the navigation bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll see all of your business's threads, including conversations between your team members and clients. You can easily create a new message, a group chat between members of your team, or find a message by filtering or searching using names or keywords from the conversation. You can click on these buttons up here to either get more information relating to the client or to give them a call. The client info pane will show you some quick details, like the service address, contact info, and a list of open jobs linked to this client. With the Message Center, you have access to quick replies. Quick replies allow you to create template messages that you can send with just a few clicks. You can customize these messages to your exact needs so that you can spend less time typing out the same messages over and over again. To create a new quick reply, just hit the More Replies button and then select New Template. It's going to ask you for a title for this quick reply template, and then the template message itself. You can use a combination of standard text and shortcode using the shortcode library over here on the right. You can add things like a placeholder for the client's name, your Workiz number, or your booking link. Here's what it looks like when we select the template. You'll see the client's name and business name are automatically generated based on the information we already have stored on our account. You can attach images using this button right here, or alter the type of message you want to send to this person with this drop-down arrow next to the send button. If you've got an email and phone number stored for this person, you'll see the option to send a text message or email. Need to forward a message to a different person on your contact list? Just hit this button right here and enter their name or contact info. Okay, next topic. Workiz makes it easy to book a new job or lead right from the Message Center. Let's say you get a text from a new client asking to schedule an appointment. You'll see a button to create a new job or lead. And if that client reaches out to you about rescheduling a job that's already on the books, Workiz provides you with an edit button right from the message thread, allowing you to make those quick changes without having to leave the page. The Message Center also makes it super easy to keep track of your jobs, estimates, and invoices. You'll get a message anytime a client or tech confirms a job, a payment is received, and even when an estimate has been viewed by your client from the Workiz client portal. You'll also be able to view all of your voicemail messages from here. Workiz makes it easy to ensure your business never misses a call from a client. But if your team can't be reached and a client leaves a voicemail, Workiz automatically transcribes the message and sends it to your Message Center. You'll even see options to book a job or lead or play the audio. One last thing I want to cover is the ability to message your clients from several different places within the software. Let's head over to a job page real quick. Keep an eye out for this little chat bubble icon. Clicking on it will open up a chat pane relevant to the page you're on. Message your client without having to lose sight of the important details. Simple, awesome stuff. The Message Center is also available on the mobile app, allowing you to take most of these tools with you on the go. But that's it. We've covered the basics of the Workiz Message Center. Feel free to subscribe to this channel for all the latest on how Workiz can help your business grow. And as always, if you have any questions, we're here to help. Thanks for watching.